This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. And here you can see a lot of video templates which you can use as well. Like, all you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use. For example, let's say I want to try this one here, and I'll be able to switch the character within the video, or I can recreate a similar video to this as well. You can just tap on this option here where it says recreate. I've been given everything, the prompt, and pretty much the AI model used to create the video. So that's really pretty much it for that section there. You have a lot of other templates. You have the image templates, you have the effect templates, you have the music templates, which you can all use. All you have to do is just select any one of these templates here, as you can see. And let's say, for example, in the effects section, some of them may require you to upload a photo, as you can see here for this one. And let's say, example for this one here, as you can see, all I have to do is just upload a video and we'll get similar effects as those. So for the image generate or the video generation for this application here, just tap on this option here, and here be able to enter your prompt. I can also do the video AI video editing. All I have to do is just upload the video that I want to edit, then enter the prompt or what I want to edit in that video. Very simple. Also the extended video, meaning uploading the video and pretty much tell the AI what I want to happen next in the video. Very simple. So for example, this one here can upload a prompt. Once you have uploaded a prompt down here, this goes for pretty much all the features across the generating, the edit, and the extend feature. So down here they do give you option to increase the quality of the video. So as you can see here, the pro subscription will be needed for me to get the 180p option there. And as you can see here, can go up to 8 seconds, and can as well select the aspect ratio of the video. So as you can see here, how much credits will be needed to generate the video as well. So for the pro subscription here, as you can see here, this is pretty much the credit section. This is where you go to get the credit. As I said before, guys, the credit is different from a subscription. The subscription allows you to get the templates and the pretty much every pro templates out there or for the application, basically. But once you get the templates, once you get the subscription, they do give you credits with the subscription. But if that credits is finished before the subscription, you can go over the credits pack section and purchase more credits. So that's pretty much it for that there. So for the AI music section here, similar layout. As you can see here, you have the prompt section where you enter a prompt for what type of music you want to generate. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always use the assistance button down here, and you're pretty much good to go. And as well, if you do tap on this option here, you can choose whichever model you want to use to generate your music. Same thing for the AI video, which I forgot to mention. You can tap on this option here to select whichever AI model you want to use to generate your video. Same thing for the AI image generator section here. You can go ahead to this section here and select whichever AI model I want to use to generate my images. So once you have entered the prompt, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always select that option there, and you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, I'm not signed in, but so you're gonna need to sign in if it's giving trouble for you to come out or exit the application. So that's really pretty much it. And at the top here, you'll be able to see how much credit you have. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and tap on this section here to go to the subscription page. As you can see here, this is where you get your subscription, their prices. You have a weekly, monthly, and here the subscription and pretty much their prices. And they do tell you how much credit you'll be getting for each subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And as well, anything that you have generated will be in the My section. As you can see here, for each of them, you have the video, music, cover images, and pretty much everything for each section will be shown here. So that's really pretty much it for this AI application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you.